Drip Urin. Magandang araw mga ka-drip. Ang umo si Jem at ito ang Drip Urin.
Hey girl, what's up? You know I pulled your bluff, and I had enough of all the fun and games.
Si Mama Uli na antukin. Nasubukan nyo na bang mahina? Panoorin nyo ito. Ang mga lawa, hindi ko alam kung ano ang mga lawa. Kaya mas mabuti bang panoorin nyo na lang. Nangugulahan ako. Nakalimutan ko ang aking sasabihin. Panoorin nyo na lang. nasubukan nyo namang manglakad sa gilid ng mga kalsada. Pero may sumasayaw sa inyo. Panoorin nyo ito. Gaya na lang nito.
Give me a sign. Stop playing hard to get. I wanna make you sweat until you're soaking wet. Until you
At dito na naman nagdadamon ang trip-urin. Pero bago tayo magdamon, mamani na naman tayo. Binabani ko si Kuya Norman Mamringas. Yan. Hi Kuya. Saka sweet and spicy. Kasi sweet and spicy. Oh, Amiran Sinaw. Happy birthday na kay Mijay Dario. Bro, happy birthday. Pamulot naman yan. Kaya, dito na lang nanamon ang trip ko rin. Huwag yun manam na ginagawa ko nito dahil trip ko rin. Bye-bye!
Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy.
Hey, what up,
Grab
girl?
my glasses, I'm out the door. I'm gonna hit this city.
Let's go.
Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack. Cause when I leave for the night, I ain't coming back. I'm talking pedicure on our toes, toes. Trying on all our clothes, clothes. Boys blowing up our phones, phones. Drop top and playing our favorite CDs. Pulling up to the parties. Trying to get a little bit tipsy. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ, blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No. Oh, 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 oh. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ, blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No. Oh, 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 oh. Ain't got a care in the world, but got plenty of beer. Ain't got no money in my pocket, but I'm already here. And now the dudes are lining up, cause they hear we got swagger. But we kick them to the curb unless they look like Mick Jagger. I'm talking about everybody getting crunk, crunk. Boys try to touch my junk, junk. Gonna smack him if he getting too drunk, drunk. Nah, nah, we go until they kick us out, out. Or the police shut us down, down. Police shut us down, down. Shut us down. Don't stop.